Okay, so after about 20 minutes, it gives me this screen. So you can see right here, it works perfectly fine. So the operating system is installing. So hopefully this will go as planned. I'm just hoping for the best that my iPod will be recovered. So you can see the operating system is almost done installing. I'm so happy. Yeah, so how the operating system is installing is through this MacBook. So yeah, yeah. So I'll leave the iPod alone for the operating system to install. Oh, wait a second. Is it completed? Okay. It seems like it's completing. Yeah, so wait for a few minutes. And I will be right back.